Hey everybody, it's Music Therapy Laz here with my sidekick, biter, Roxy. I'm doing a quick video, not just a live stream, but a quick video because we got something. Something in the mail, that's right, I can't show you the address, but we got something. It says Sweetwater. It looks like we got something from Sweetwater. I have Roxy help me. Help me, Roxy. Here, bite that. There you go. Chew it, chew it. That'll take forever. We're gonna go ahead and go right into this. I'm not sure what it is. I ordered a bunch of accessories when they were on sale after Sweetwater's Gear Fest, and I waited till after the sale and I called my guy, Evan. Ooh, I cut right through something. Dang it. Oh, this is not that big of a deal. This is not that big of a deal, but they came already. These came fast. So I just ordered these. These are kind of handy things to have. The candy comes in handy too. Yes, Roxy, you want to see some of the candy? Here you go. Here you can play with the candy. Go ahead and try to chew through this plastic. You can do it. So what I got was I'm still waiting on the speed knobs for the D'Angelico. But what I also thought would be cool to have is a couple of these. So what that is basically a 9-volt, plug that goes to a 9-volt battery clip end, right? And let's say you have a pedal board, like I have a bunch of pedals hooked up in a row right now, but I want to add something to the chain. And I already have all those other ones all hooked up, like, Velcroed and with everything, like the power supply all hooked up. And I don't want to just go digging through all that. I just want to maybe slip an extra, patch cable, a couple patch cables, and put, a pedal in line. Or even test it out in different parts of, where it's going to go without it being affected by being affected by the power source, or having to deal with unhooking, hooking all that stuff up. Well, these come in real handy because then you can just plug your 9-volt battery in there for 9 volt, right? If it's a 9-volt power supply type, and hook it in. So, voila, instant 9-volt power via one of these. So right now I use the one spot, but I have the the one spot CS12 as well. And I started to build my pedal board, but then I stopped because I decided I'm going to make it a 2-tier one. So I got to complicate things, right? Roxy's eating. You can watch her do that. And this is something that's going to help me test out different pedals in that pedal chain, right? So I just thought I'd throw this up just for fun. Just here on typically on a Thursday, I would do in the past I used to do a live stream with Roxy on Thursdays too. But, time constraints with work and all, just not making it easy. And I'm still waiting to get the studio computers back from my cousin who's fixing them. He's loading up a different operating system on there because 7 is not safe to use anymore. So we're going to be running a different operating system, either Chrome or maybe even 10 on one of them. And then I'll have to give him my other laptop that I use all the time, and then have to deal with, all this process. So that's a big part of getting the studio up and running properly. And Roxy, of course, a big part of her life is getting the candy out of the bag here. So thank you, Sweetwater. Thank you, Evan Mer. I think I'm saying it's Mer. I can't say it right, but I think that's close. From his voicemail, I got the pronunciation. Evan Mir or Mer. I think it's Mir. He's a good guy. He hooked me up with some good pricing. And as always, if you can't buy it local because of COVID, or they don't have it, or whatever, or you can't get the deal you want, call your Sweetwater rep, like my buddy Evan. Anyway, that's it for today. Just got these. I'm still waiting on a couple other things. The speed knobs for the D'Angelico are going to take till September, apparently, because backlog of parts not available that are typically made in China, I believe. These, I think, are made in the USA. Voodoo Lab. Yep, product of Voodoo Lab. Info, what does it say? I don't even know. Anyway, that's what we got. A couple $4 or $5 items. I think they were $3 or $4 each. Good to have, good to have. Anyway, Music Therapy Laz reminding you the secret to tone is in your mind, but the feel comes from your heart. Put them together, rock on. Of course, fingers, it's in the hands, all that, but that's part of the mind and part of, you know, the feel from the heart too. These things are interconnected, connected. But ultimately, the mind is like the concrete kind of thinking side of things, you know, and the heart is the subjective side. You gotta be able to put both those together, I think, to make good quality music, right? So until next time, you guys, rock on. I'll see you guys Sunday for Music Therapy Sunday with Roxy at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I'll try to get some more videos out to you guys as well. Take care. Rock on. Roxy.